Travessa to Aterro Novo. So I don't know what Aterro means, but Novo is new. So I'm Peking dumplings, okay. So this is just kind of a tiny little street. Starts out in this little alley, another little alley here too. We'll show you more details. Stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, yeah, that's our street right here. Travessa de Aterro Novo. So before we go, this is a little black and white tiled area. So they got a little park right here. So we'll just kind of walk in a little bit. And that kind of goes to this one main street where there's hotels down that way. And then there's also Senado Square down this way. And then you have interesting little alleys. Brew lab down there. It's like a coffee shop with beer, I guess, if it's brew. Nice little temple. This little side street right here. And we're gonna head on down our focus street right here. I think I want to start it out by focusing on the Peking dumpling with a big sign hanging up to the middle there. I'm not sure what Peking dumpling is, but it looks like this. Leek, Chinese cabbage, jellyfish, sweet jelly, plum cucumber. Okay. Lots of leeks and cabbage. I can also get some sets here too. So this one you can get set A, set B, E, D, C, F. Hello, just taking a look. Oh, just taking a look. Thank you though. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much. So there's Peking dumplings, so if you do want to try, very friendly, very nice. Let's see what else is here. Another alley down in that way. Some more little small balconies. Looks like we're going to see a couple more little alleys like that. Another alley like that. And then at the end we're going to come up on like a street of happiness. Which is this one. So this is the street of happiness. And this is our street that we just focus on right there. So Travessa de Aterro Novo. The street of happiness is traditionally, historically, there's a temple right there as well. It's historically it's where all the, they call them sing-song girls. So it's kind of cool in here too. So yeah, this is all the sing-song girls. So it's basically like geisha, like Japanese hooker kind of stuff. So yeah, this street would have been went right into it. Okay. So I think we're gonna end it right there. End it right there. So that's our street right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.